and this is my bike check. First we got the frame, which is an Eastern Ramrodder. Moving right along, we got Eastern fork, hub, spokes, nipples, and rim. The tire is a Duo Stunner. Moving up, we have a Diamondback stem. A little bit more to this side, we have Verde chrome handlebars. Next, we have a Tektro brake lever, Snafu poly grips, Redline bar ends. Moving down the bike, we have the Verde seat. Fit with a fit post. Moving down, we have a Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth, Eastern cranks, arms, KMC chain with a Diamondback pedals. Next we have a Tektro brake. Down we have to the back hub, there is a Mission 9 tooth. Next we have a Alienation PDR rim with Duo Stunner tires. And that's my bike check.